Welcome back, friends, family, and countrymen. Today we are installing the floors. So right now I'm just getting everything ready for the installation, which means cleaning and properly cleaning your floor, sweeping it out, wiping it down, because we're going to use adhesive for the flooring. So we want to make sure the adhesive is sticking properly. So everything's got to be spickety span. Alright guys, so in the back of the flooring area we're going to use this black carpet, similar to how we have in our red van, just to make sure like things in the garage storage area aren't sliding around. We're going to have a bed here from side to side, and then this is going to be the garage area, so in the back going with this carpet. So right now I'm just going to measure it out, cut it up, and then adhere it to the floor. So the carpet installation is moderatively self-explanatory. We have a 6x8 carpet here from Home Depot, so I'm just going to lay it out and figure out where it needs to be cut so I can fit it around the wheel wells, and then I will cut it accordingly. Now I'm a pretty precise person, so I want to make sure I get my lines nice and straight, so I'm going to use my level to use as a straight edge for this project. And we didn't film the full installation because it was pretty self-explanatory. So we'll just show you a clip of it, how it looked the next day. Well guys, got the carpet down, finished that yesterday. Just kind of cut it with scissors, and I screwed it down rather than glued it. That was just my personal choice to go into this plywood floor. Next up, we're working on the flooring for the front section, and I'm just going to lay out our flooring boards. We're going with this kind of color, as you can see here. So I'm just laying them out to kind of test where it's going to go and then put it in permanently. So right now I'm just going to position it in place and see what we're working with. Alright squad, so these are vinyl tiles, and apparently they just click together. They have ridges, kind of like a male and female end. So this end would snap onto another's this end. Take a mallet, gently tap them in, and they stay. Because this is a van and it moves around, I like to use a little adhesive. So I'm going to take this 2310, whatever the heck that is, flooring adhesive, and I'm going to basically just put some on the bottom of each tile, and this is going to keep them nice and sturdy. We did this in our van and nothing ever moved, we never had any problems with any shifting. So that's what I'm going to do, and I like the way it works. So here we go. It's all done. I love it. Looks beautiful. Looks beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. Oh. Ah. Ew.